What's up guys, I'm Alex and today let's recreate the ghost disappearing effect from Lights Up. For this effect you will need two shots, both filmed from a tripod. In the first one, make your talent act like turning on and off the light. And in the second shot you can also have a second talent sitting right into a place. To make my scene much more interesting, I have placed a interesting top light onto the stairs so that the ghost seems much more scary and you can't see its face exactly. After this is done, in Premiere Pro, put the both shots on top of each other and mask out the ghost. Also, now you need to find the parts when the talent turns on and off the light and synchronize those parts in such a way that also the ghost appears. For the set I didn't use any light because this is usually typical for horror movies, to have the light really dark. I used just practical lights, which were just the household lights, and a film light to light up the ghost. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time. For this shot you need...
Să vede, numai spatele mele